Water mixed in cinnamon. Then we add our pineapple. Let's see how it turns out. I saw this and I decided to give it a try and taste for myself, because why not? Ooh. I just spared some few pineapples for the same. If it tastes yummy, the better. If it doesn't, you are not doing it again. It looks yummy. Smells heavenly. Oh, look at that. Yo. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Yo. Ooh. Let me have a taste. Hey. It's hot. Perfect dessert. Perfect dessert. Hey. Perfect dessert. Because when it's still hot, ooh, yummy. Lights are gone. Ooh. Done, gone.